You certainly have the commitment of both CMS and McLaren to work through to get to that yes.
Promising news that gave this crowd of nearly 2,000 community members hope for the time being. An administration resolution has been worked out between the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services and McLaren Health System that would allow the hospital to reopen its emergency room and other outpatient departments. McLaren still has to work with other interested parties and creditors to get them to agree to the terms of sale before anything will move forward. So with no concrete reopen date on the table, emotions are still running high.
We want to reopen this hospital. We need to reopen this hospital. This hospital is the heart of our community.
When Cheboygan Memorial closed earlier this month, it sent a wave of panic and uncertainty through the community, causing immediate, widespread impacts.
I'm very scared if I have to move elsewhere or have a child in college, and I still need to work. I'm still young.
This hospital was one of the largest employers in all of Cheboygan County, almost 400 jobs. That's a significant thing for us to throw that number of people on the market.
And it's not just the local economy stinging from the aftermath. Seniors in the area are also nervous about the lack of medical services readily available.
When you get to be this age and have suffered health problems, it's very scary. And I know we're not alone.
6 months ago, I fell through the roof of my pole barn, broke 11 ribs, punctured a lung, and separated a collarbone. And if I'd had to sustain a ride of 45 minutes to get to an emergency room somewhere, quite frankly, it would have been disastrous.
And families with young kids share the same fears.
I have 3 children, and as I was leaving the house to come here, my youngest, who's 7, was riding his bike. And I said, Andrew, please be careful. And I thought, because if you are hit by a car, we are in big trouble here.
But amongst so much uncertainty, one thing holds true. Cheboygan residents aren't ready to give up without a fight. And this rally is proof they're willing to do whatever it takes to save their beloved hospital. In Cheboygan, Kate Fox, 7 and 4 News.